good. They're the pre-old, I mean they're original, so let's go to Harley Davidson and grab new grips. I got my coffee, now we can go to Harley Davidson and let's hope that they will have grips in stock. Of course, no keys, no wallet. Alright, so let's do a little update on what's going on. So like you can see, the bike is taken apart. Got new bars already in, heated grips. These are LA choppers, 14-inch. You can see I was able to get a front brake over here, but for the clutch that was way too short. So I just ordered extended one plus 8 inches. Let's see what's going on the other side. This side already took apart the transmission cover or the clutch cover. It looks like this. So I got brand new seal. So I'm just gonna put over here brand new oil, brand new seals, and extended clutch line. Alright, let's do this. Oh, and also, let's see what's in the box. So I got transmission lube. This one's a little bit heavier. It should be working for this transmission. Then I got the seals, stickers. And this is the cable. I think it came with the seal. Let's compare this one to the old one. Yep, looks longer.